Ukrainian Army Russian helicopter shot down by UAV. The Ukrainian army announced that a Russian attack helicopter was shot down by a Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. Ukraine's Special Operations Forces reported that the Ka-52 Alligator helicopter, worth approximately $16 million, was successfully targeted over Ukrainian territory and released footage of the strike. However, the NewSpoc team could not independently verify the footage and reached out to the Russian Ministry of Defense, which declined to comment. Preliminary reports indicate that at least one of the helicopter's crew members died. The crew commander is believed to be Chuvashia Captain Yegorov. The obituary was reportedly published a day before the news was published. The loss is believed to be related to data released by the Ukrainian General Staff on May 15th, which claimed that an enemy helicopter had been destroyed on that date. Why are FPV drones important in the war? FPV, first-person view, drones have become increasingly significant in shaping the battlefield. Ukraine has made extensive use of these drones on the front lines, leading to heavy Russian losses in manpower and equipment. The latest strike further demonstrates Ukraine's growing drone warfare capabilities. Moving on to the details of the attack. According to Ukraine's Special Operations Forces, the Bombus Ballista unit successfully used an FPV drone to attack the Ka-52 Alligator helicopter. A video shared on social media shows the helicopter on a combat patrol over Ukrainian territory before being hit by the drone. No specific date or location was provided. The attack was described as a calculated effort to wear down Russian air assets. In May 2024, Ukrainian forces shot down another Ka-52 helicopter. According to United 24 Media, on February 7th, near Avdiivka in the Donetsk region, another Ka-52 was taken down by a shoulder-launched MANPADS, Man-Portable Air Defense System. The same report stated that in May, Ukraine's missiles and drones targeted several high-value Russian military assets, including a $45 million Buk M3 surface-to-air missile system and a rare Uragan multiple rocket launcher. Kyiv Independent, citing an unnamed security official, reported that on Saturday, May 18th, Ukrainian drones struck an ammunition depot in southern Crimea used by Russia's 126th Coastal Defense Brigade. The strike caused a large explosion and fire. The depot, located between Simferopol and Alushta, housed military equipment, munitions, and fuel. In a statement, the Bombus Ballista unit said the Ka-52 attempted to conduct a patrol mission over Ukrainian fields, but failed to anticipate the presence of our tactical UAV group, Bombus. In April, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky announced plans to increase the production of long-range UAVs and ground-based robotic systems. According to Ukrainian military sources, the attack took place in the Kursk region within Russian territory. The helicopter, worth around $16 million, was reportedly destroyed by a first-person view FPV drone, a technology that is becoming increasingly common on the battlefield due to its precision and low cost. Following the Crimea strike, the Ukrainian Security Service told the Kyiv Independent that efforts to weaken Russia's military capacity would continue. During an operation in the Kupiansk direction in eastern Ukraine, the Timur Special Unit of Ukraine's Defense Intelligence, GUR, carried out a remarkable and courageous rescue under fire. In the heat of battle, a US-made MG-2224 Max Pro armored vehicle used by the unit came under heavy Russian fire and was hit. Despite sustaining significant damage, the armored vehicle successfully protected the lives of the soldiers on board. The troops were able to exit the vehicle safely and continued their mission on foot, while the Max Pro remained trapped within the enemy's line of fire. Recognizing the tactical and logistical value of the vehicle, GUR's logistics team initiated a swift and high-risk evacuation. Entering the dangerous zone, they quickly assessed the condition of the Max Pro. Although one of its wheels had been destroyed, the engine was still operational, and the vehicle was capable of moving on 3 wheels. With metal grinding against the asphalt and sparks flying, the Max Pro was driven out of the enemy fire zone. This dramatic moment was captured by the unit's aerial reconnaissance teams. The footage vividly illustrates the determination and discipline of Ukraine's armed forces under the most trying conditions. This daring operation once again highlights that war is not only fought with bullets, but also with strategic thinking, logistical skill, and unyielding willpower. GR officials emphasized the importance of protecting military equipment in the field, both for operational efficiency and for morale. The Ukrainian military continues to resist with a combination of battlefield bravery and technological resourcefulness. While the costs of war are undeniably high, nothing, neither lives nor equipment, is abandoned without a fight. Victory is not won by bullets alone, but by patience, courage, and determination. The struggle goes on. Glory to Ukraine.